Omurimo ogu gukaba gushemereire kuba omyezi 18 konka n'erya Nyakazoba tugukahwaga. Kenneth Tumusiime mukuru w'entebe ya kishatu ahabw'egombora ya Kihunja nashoborra ngu bwanyuma ya Ministry y'ebyamagara okukuza irwariro erya Kihunja Health Center ya kabiri okuza rurengo rwa Health Center ya kishatu mwaka gw'2021 bakataha empiya ezirikwingana obukaikuru rushanju za shilingi ya Uganda ezokwombeka ekishenje kya multipurpose ward.
Kuruga 2021 project ikaba eri supposed construction ikaba eri supposed kutwara myezi 18 yonka wetu kuruga 2021 wokubara kwika lero egyo myaka 5.
Tumusiime nashoborra ngu akabasa kuhikaho omu ofisi ya karishorisho wa gavumenti eya IGG kandi abakuru bakeija bayireberana gabo omurimo gwabire gukozirwe konka n'okusi eryambwenu takatungaga alpota okorwa mu ofisi ya IGG aha project egi.
Unyashi yaringire nabo abaho response yokubanza tukasobora okufuna team from the office of IGG yeja ground nayo negamba ekwijja kuseruriza what is happening.
Tumusiime yashoborra omnyamakuru w'itungu ebikwatwa ebyabahirwe ku rwo Ministry ey'ebyamagara biriyo firo turo ahambuga nkuru z'egombora egi ahabw'ekyombeko eki obutahwa.
Kiunge which was given upgraded from Health Center to Health Center 3 from 2023 to date, it is still operating as Kiunge Health Center 2. The reason being, they cannot admit there are no rooms for admission 1.
Kwetwagambaho na Ronald Wilfred Kaseija procurement officer wa district ya Burisa yahakanisa amakuru ngu wetuwe mukamawe ekitongole ekya Beltanzi Engineering Limited arikushoborra ngu weta arikubasa kweho omurimo.
The problem is being solved. I think give it 2 months they will have completed that. We will start with the contractor, with IGG contractor, and they agreed.
Professor Levi Musinguzi arikawo wa district ya Burisa yagambira omunyamakuru witu ahasimu ngu endagano y'ekitongole ekya Beltanzi Engineering Limited ekashazibwamu batungano wakwasire empatane omusi yakuhendera omurimo ogwo.
We went into an alternative dispute resolution meeting with the former contractor, Batland, and the Office of Inspectorate of Government, and we resolved to terminate his contract and bring in a new contract. As they talk, the contractor is mobilizing to complete what was not complete.
Tumusiime nashaba abebembezi abembaju zombi okurwa muri gavumenti z'ebichweka hamwe na ha district okutaho mu nshongeji okurebeka ngu omurimo ogu gwahenderwa ahabw'okuba ebikwatwa ebishemerire kukozesebwa omu irwariro biri omu ofisi ye hamwe n'omuhoro ya council.
Tumusaba ofisi ya RDC intervening etuyambe kora contract omu ayigira amabwiriza mulimo guno.
Nobukirabe kiringu abebembezi b'endengo z'ahansi ekintu bakyejekerra ahari procurement officer wa district we amakuru agana agahakanisa arikugira ngu weta arikubasa kweha empatane yokora omurimo ogwo. Gasha kwa Innocent atuganyira ahabwa Tayari West.